Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a rolled and spiraled ice dye shirt. I posted one of these not too long ago, but I only used a single color on that shirt. Like I mentioned the first time, this is a design inspired by Mark at Psychedelic Serenity Tie-Dye. He does the rolled designs, but I've never seen him do a rolled and spiraled design. I'm going to start by drawing a diagonal line on the shirt, from one corner of the shoulder of the shirt to the opposite corner of the hem of the shirt. Then starting at the corner of the hem, I'm going to begin to roll the shirt as tightly as I can. And as I'm rolling, I'm getting the rest of the fabric on either side of this line to roll as well. Once I have the shirt rolled, I'm going to grab one end and I'm going to begin to spiral the shirt in on itself. And I'm going to try to keep my spiral pretty tight. Then to hold the folds in place, I'm going to use some rubber bands. To ice dye the shirt, I'm going to place it down inside of a plastic colander. This is one that I purchased at the Dollar Tree dollar store. Then I'm going to take a plastic container, place a metal rack down inside, and place the colander on top. That's going to keep the shirt up out of the muck. All muck is the runoff from the melting ice that's mixed with the dye. For this shirt, I'm going to use 2 of Dyespin's Dark Horse dyes. I'm going to use Mindbender B and Moody Blue. I'm going to place Mindbender B on half of the shirt and Moody Blue on the other half. Now I'm going to add an additional sprinkle of dry soda ash over the top, and then I'm going to add on some ice. Once most of the ice had melted on top of the shirt, I came back and topped it off with just a little bit more ice and allowed that to melt as well. I've included some process photos so you can see what the shirt looked like as the ice melted. After that last layer of ice melted, I left the shirt for about 24 to 48 hours before I began rinsing it. To rinse the shirt, I took it to my utility sink and I began rinsing it in cold water to rinse out the soda ash. As you can see, the dye's gone through the shirt really well. Then I warmed the water up to hot, and I continued rinsing in hot water to rinse out the excess dye that didn't bond with the fabric. Instead of just rinsing for a long time, I untied the shirt and ran some really hot water in my utility sink, placed a little bit of Blue Dawn dish soap in the water, placed the shirt inside, and I allowed the shirt to soak. When the water cooled off, I changed it out, and I continued that soaking process until my water was remaining almost clear. Then I put the shirt along with some Dharma's professional textile detergent into my washing machine, and I washed it using a hot water cycle. Okay, so I've washed, dried, and ironed the shirt, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so what do you guys think? I think this one is really pretty. I love the Moody Blue and the Mindbender together. I think those are really pretty and they work well together. I think it's fun too how my colors ended up in stripes. And I love all the color splits. I think I've ended up with some really cool shades of purple and blue, teal, green, a little bit of yellow, some pink, some darker kind of red shades. Just a lot of really cool color splits. So overall, I think this is a fun shirt and I really like it. But what do you guys think? please drop me some comments down below and let me know. And if you've enjoyed watching the video, I sure would appreciate it if you would like it and if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you'll hit the bell, you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.